since my first visit, Europe, 1973. That I carry this message: universal responsibility.
Hello. Welcome to England. Greeting. Thank you.
My main commitment, number one, promotion of human value. Number two, promotion of religious harmony. These two things I committed till my death.
And then we will ask you to go to the lectern.
Fellow governors, distinguished guests, staff and students of London Metropolitan University, in recognition of his outstanding achievements in promoting peace globally and for his spiritual guidance and leadership, I present to you, for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy honoris causa, His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama.
Spiritual leader, and it is. So, I mean, if I'm honest, like when he's honest, came inside the room, it's just like tears flow, but you know, it's just genuine, and it's just, that's what it is, and you know, I couldn't even speak.
Good. Thank you.
You know, over the years, I've had the pleasure to confer honorary degrees.
To meet you, sir. An honour to meet you.
Okay, guys.
Namaste.
Please. Okay.
Thank you. Indian. Oh, nearly half century.
Yeah, long time. So.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, sorry.
You don't need to return to your dressing room.
No, not straight. No need.
Are you retired?
No.
No. You've got more energy than I have then. That's a very good...
These are the people, large number of people, so they are really showing some kind of, and in full spirit.
Yes.
So that fresh, being fresh.
Yes, that's good. So there we are. Yes.
Thank you very much. It's a privilege. Oh, thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you.
So, thank you.
Have a safe journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you. No time. Thank you. Thank you.
Your Holiness and other friends, may I simply welcome you here to Lambeth Palace this morning to simply to come to meet His Holiness on his visit to the United Kingdom. But it seemed that the most appropriate way of beginning this morning.
Express now travelling on this 1455 East Midlands train service for Nottingham. My name's Kyle Charge for this service this afternoon. Service calls Leicester, due to arrive Leicester at 16.
Just want to come along this way.
Thank you.
Is it a good journey?
Good journey. Yes.
Excellent. Fortunately, we didn't have the weather for you. It'll be a better day tomorrow.
I've been the Deputy Lord Mayor of Nottingham for...
I just thought how charming he was, how natural, how friendly, how humorous he was. I mean, that came out very much so, his humour, and you can see the twinkle in his eye the whole time.
His Holiness Dalai Lama is a manifestation as a human being of the Buddha of compassion. This is an inspiration, a really huge inspiration for all of us, for UK, Nottingham, and for everyone.
For the world.
Your Holiness, may I, on behalf of the Queen, welcome you to Oxfordshire.
Thank you. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
May I present the President of the College, Dr. Clary. Dr. Clary, Your Holiness, Taché welcome to Magdalen College. We're delighted to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you.
You brought the good weather. Thank you very so much.
Please come. You'll be staying here for the next 2 nights.
Take care, brother.
Very good. Yes. Mr. Flower.
It's called Free Montedendo.
Oh,
It's from California.
I see.
It's an American club.
First time to see.
Yes,
This time.
it likes it nice and warm against the warm wall. So it likes the heat. It likes the heat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you
See you
tomorrow.
again. Yes.
See you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you much.
Watch the step here. It's Carolyn Tucker.
Charismatic figure, that makes it even harder for him to prepare. So I think it'll be a huge problem once he passes on what's going to happen, and it's going to have great significance about the future of the Tibetan people, because for them he's sort of the source of unity and the source of cohesion of the society and of the culture.
I'm very grateful. Thank you.
You're all brave.
You from Japan or Korea?
No, I'm from Blackfriars.
That's right.
Yes, I'm from Malaysia.
Malaysia.
From Malaysia.
What is the purpose of your visit here today?
Here mainly, I think I've been a few times, and now this time, mainly one of my commitment is promotion of religious harmony.
Do you feel that you're winning the argument over Tibet?
No, I don't know. Because of the martial crisis, Now my visit become politicized, too much politicized. Okay.
Your Holiness, this is Father Richard from the Regent of Blackfriars. Honoured to meet you and welcome you to Blackfriars.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, yes. Oh. Like that. Okay.
How splendid. Thank you.
Thank you.
Actually, the way in which I came to be his principal interpreter is more of a coincidence. Actually, that was in 1985. I was a young monk, one of the students, among many thousands studying in one of the Tibetan monastic universities.
Again here. Good morning. Of course, the place very nice, very peaceful, and also decorated peacocks, very beautiful. But weather is not so kind today.
I think it's just one of these events that's so significant.
Oh, shaman. Perhaps one put here. Come here. In 1935, I born this planet. The East, China, already some bloodshed. The West, about to develop the major war. So perhaps I think I made mistake to choose my time.
You come on my left hand side, so maybe too many cameras.
The Dalai Lama has become a global icon in the West, a smiling saint or a divine statesman exiled from his homeland of Tibet. But his story and that of his country has been muddled by myth and propaganda, both in the East and West. The Tibet issue is one of the most costly and long-standing territorial disputes the world has ever known. But the focus of this film is to witness the ongoing efforts and to understand in his own words the Dalai Lama's intent to resolve it once and for all.
For Tibet and welcome you back to home.
I fully committed about One China. I fully committed my middle approach, so don't worry.
For the last 3 years, our film...
For us to stand on the hill over there to get a long shot of you on the balcony.
After months of negotiation, the Dalai Lama opened his door to our cameras. And we've been following the Tibetan leader as he seeks to find an elusive common ground with the Chinese government, enabling him to return to the land of his people. But time is not on his side. Throughout the making of this film, both the subject, the footage of the actions and reactions of the Tibetan leader will inevitably be scrutinized carefully from Washington to Beijing. And for that reason, there's no voiceover. The Dalai Lama can speak for himself, and you can make up your own mind.
Notwithstanding the tremendously
welcome to Canada. Welcome. This is it.
We have to go back to Washington today, so this is the last time we'll see you. Love you.
My approach is actually the sort of way of approach to all problems, very cautious. It's important.
Can I ask where we're going now?
Audience, Tibetan, who recently come, done some, I think, from Ladakh.
These are Tibetans who've come over from Tibet.
Yes.
Recently.
That's right. So I think almost every month, some Tibetans now come. So I always meet them and give them some, encouragement. That's my duty.
A lot of them come to see you.
Yes. I think with unrealistic expectation. 당연하다. 맹강지 따지시다. 그래 샤시시다. 개지 마. 맹강 쳐지시다. 그래서 너도 손당. Many of them return. So, in the past, because here, free country, no immediate danger. So they sometimes, due to our carelessness, when these people return, some gets arrested.
Why do you think the Chinese...
It's Radio City 96.7. Liverpool's preparing for the arrival of one of the world's biggest spiritual leaders. The Dalai Lama will give a lecture at the Anglican Cathedral, where he's set to pick up an honorary fellowship from John Moores University. The Chinese government have complained about the visit. They occupy his home country of Tibet and accuse him of trying to split the motherland. The Dalai Lama fled in 1959 and has lived in exile ever since.
Clandestine Jormuchipa Putan Janal Dendishune in Chike and Zabatili New Taya Gitachi Tubu Yuto Yamina clandestine Jangumuchipa Moisne Kusi Chazan Chilo Chair Juya Tachi Yudu Logo Mavresumdu Kunzuta Tsuti Yamare Kangi Chishuti Logo Mavta Tsumatiba. The Yinanga to Tanda Jangum Chigunuya Pendu Yubinsa, Digi Temple Sins of Jiremato, Chitanda Bugi, Canyon, Masama is in Digmari.
回りますが、その前に全員で般若心経を読受したいと思います。
はい、では生徒手帳名札の方を出してください。
양들이 양자 사직 될래버리 하장 가보죠. 엔들데 라보르토에 그게다 가루가 찍리야 땅안 나버리 애니 싫으니부 닌다를 쓰는 데가 요래 맨 삼단 데가 요래 싫으니부 던다디 애니 토마토 파도 삼 타마 곰제. Some of you really looks very, very serious. I want to see your teeth. That's much better. I think smile, genuine smile is one of the unique about the human face. So we must use that. I think tiger, very good teeth, but no ability to show the teeth. If tiger shows teeth, brings fear. The human teeth show brings peace, happy. Okay, thank you. I really appreciate the leaders, organizers this opportunity. Thank you very much. Now finished. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
На севере Индии уже 50 лет живет монах.
British. I'll go.
Есть еще и охрана, состоящая из воинов-тибетцев. Видимо, в настоящее время этот человек действительно нуждается в охране. Парадоксальная вещь. Человек, проповедующий ненасилие, круглосуточно окружен вооруженными людьми.
So firstly, I want to express my greeting to all brothers, sisters.
Вновь расходятся.
His Holiness the Dalai Lama visited Japan from 15 to 23 November 2007. His Holiness was invited by All Buddhist Federation and Kanagawa Buddhist Federation for the commemoration of 50th and 40th anniversary. On his arrival, he was being received by Mr. Tsokol Hakbala, representative of His Holiness the Dalai Lama Japan, Venerable Ryojo Kurata, the Vice Chairman of Kanagawa Buddhist Federation, and the Buddhist monks. In 1967, His Holiness visited Japan for the first time, and this is his 12th visit.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
On 17 November 2007, His Holiness the Dalai Lama briefed the media at Kokokan University, during which he responded to the questions on various issues.
Dalai Lama is concerned.
On 18 November, His Holiness the Dalai Lama left for Ise Shrine. Ise Shrine is the holiest and the most important Shinto shrine in Japan. His Holiness, the chief priest of the shrine, Venerable Toshiya Wada, and Mr. Shishu Makino, the former member of the Japanese Parliament and the founder of the Diet Members League for the Tibetan issue, walking hand in hand through the large shrine complex and paid respect to the main inner shrine. This is a part of His Holiness the Dalai Lama's commitment to promote religious harmony by paying respect to religious places around the world. His Holiness the Dalai Lama participated at the Interfaith Forum at Kokokan University Auditorium. His Holiness emphasized on the need of religious harmony. This Interfaith Forum was participated by the heads of Shinto religion, Buddhist and Shugento faiths.
I never state I'm all mature. No, never. I always describe myself as a simple Buddhist. Even in my dream, I often
On 20th November, His Holiness gave the valedictory speech to some 5,000 Japanese Buddhists in the National Convention Hall of Yokohama City as a part of grand function to commemorate the 40th founding anniversary of Kanagawa Buddhist Federation.
일본 개용 남대 최소 총리 원무 주신데 아니 규제장 산에다게 아니 최소 총리 원수 주신데 아니 규제 산이야 아니 말도 자수로 자 가보죠 아니 규제 개발적인 거나 아니 나는다 섬주시고 나 we are in 21st century.
On 21st November, His Holiness met with the national and international media people at Hachiuchi New Grand Hotel.
Main purpose of my visit, non-political. And meantime, I also always do not want to create any inconvenience to anybody. So, no problem. At our first meeting, she as a leader of the opposition, we had a very interesting discussion. So I feel she keep human friendship, spirit of human friendship. So in spite she become chancellor, still same human being.
After the press briefing, His Holiness addressed a huge gathering on modern world and spiritual values.
What is the meaning of modernity? What's that? I think modernity maybe is related mainly experience on physical level, structure of house and different missions, different costumes, clothes and lifestyle. Food style. 인도기 시행용 탈이야. 북의 시행 투소매로 직치야. 그래서 은행을 안주 벽에다 지 그저 두두다 비이 셈바치야 돼. 샤디 개심보다 보고先说. 해쳐버려샤. 先说. 现在这些 This tiger. That's fact. It's fact. Of course. Without so now this is a fact. Now we are seeing, you see, the picture of tiger. So there is tiger. Now further question. What is tiger? All these are there and working. And causes and effect. All there. Law of causality. This is the basis of Buddhist sort of belief. Now my favorite television is BBC. Oh! What is that? That day I think no smile. I don't know what happened. But as a Tibetan, I want to extend my welcome to you to visit my own country.
You're slightly shaking your head. Yes. I've never seen you with your glasses off before.
Really?
I've never seen you with your glasses off. Do I seem very small? Am I a bit blurred? But I mean, you are
That's my daily life and daily routine. Breakfast, lunch, no dinner.
That's very tricky. I know you're very busy. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
दस्तावेजों से हटा
80 million people desperately trying to get
a seat, because we all know we could be stuck on this train for hours or...
So American continent, Africa, Asia, and here, Central Asia. Now Tibet is my home. My rebirth, limitless. From the Buddhist viewpoint, not only me, you also, limitless, beginningless life. Sometimes I do feel in my dream, dream or semi-dream, some the faint sort of feeling. My previous life, about a few hundred years ago in Tibet, and also a few hundred years ago, one occasion. And then through that way, at the time of Buddha, I may somewhere in the vicinity of Buddha's time. So therefore, my rebirth limitless. If you have rebirth sort of concept, then death is something like change our cloth. When this old cloth become old and unusable, then a time come, change.